After nearly 2 incredible weeks sailing through the Mediterranean, we finally reached the end of our honeymoon cruise. Today is our last morning aboard the Scarlet Lady, and while saying goodbye to the ship isn't easy, our adventure isn't over just yet.
Before heading home, we're spending one final day exploring the beautiful city of Barcelona, wandering its streets and soaking in as much as we can, and making the most out of every last moment before our flight tomorrow and our honeymoon ends.
Denver also gets to check something off his bucket list that he's wanted to do since we visited Barcelona in 2019.
So come along with us as we say goodbye to an unforgettable cruise and enjoy one last adventure in Spain.
Good morning. It's the last day. We're getting our last brunch in.
It's not last day. It's Disembarkment Day.
It's Disembarkment Day. This one's going down.
Oh, look at that. It's Richard Branson.
Oh, there he is.
I got a tattoo last night. Check it out. Badass. Got one there. Got one there. We gotta go get breakfast before we disembark. And then we have to make our way to our hotel.
Mangiare.
Oh my gosh, this is one last walk across the outside pool area to get to the food. So sad. Nobody's in the pool.
It can't be.
Let's be stowaways. Let's find a place to hide.
I can fit in there.
Yeah.
Last breakfast ever, and we went full out. We got a little bit of everything. Not much new today, only the cinnamon roll. They saved the best for last on the last day, because I haven't seen those any other day. Everything else is the usual: bacon, scrambled eggs, hash brown. I got the breakfast burrito again. I only got this one the first day, and I didn't get it again. Chia pudding, bigger acai bowl than the little cups. Some Danishes, I think that's an apple cruffin. Breakfast sandwich. Deborah got Fruity Pebbles again because they were soggy yesterday. Deborah got a custom omelet, bacon, hash browns. What should I start with? I'm gonna do this one again because I haven't had this one in a while, so bon appetit. Yum. All the food has been amazing. We chose this cruise for the food, and it has lived up to the expectations. Nay, it's exceeded expectations. And I'm very happy we chose it. We will be back. We already put a deposit to be back. So if you're thinking about it because of the food, do it.
Breakfast is complete. Now we'll grab our heavy ass backpacks and get off this boat.
At least it's just our backpacks and
Thank
our
God.
luggage.
Yeah, they took our luggage down last night.
Just very nice.
Ahoy, sailors. We know it's hard, but it's time to go.
We're the
Why
last
is everybody
ones.
gone?
We are the last one. That's it. We got our backpacks. Teresa's making an Instagram post, and we're heading to deboarding. I made a mistake. My backpack is like 80 pounds. For some reason, our backpacks are way heavier than at the start of this journey. We messed something up. Yeah. Yes, all good? Thanks, bye. Oh, I'm happy we don't have our luggage.
Me too.
There she is. We have to collect our luggage now.
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, right there.
There's no line here anymore. It's all emptiness. Oh, how am I supposed to vlog and do this? Hey! Good travels. Take care. We're gonna skip this huge line. Saved us like an hour. All right, we just got to the taxi. We're trying to figure out where exactly our hostel is, and we kind of got screwed.
It's here.
By the taxi. When we were leaving, we were in like a really long taxi line, and then this guy like just dropped somebody off, and he's like, airport, airport, and we were like, oh, we're going near the airport. So we hopped in, and then when we're in the car, we gave him our address to the hostel, but he was like, oh no, you still have to pay the ferry or the boat to the airport price, 45 euros. By the time that we actually got here, the meter had only got up to like 23 euros. So we paid almost double the price because we said airport.
Yeah.
So
Lesson learned.
Lesson learned there.
All right, let's go inside.
It's 11:30. We got here so early, we couldn't check in, but they were able to just take our luggage. So now we are wandering around backpack free, and we have no idea what we're gonna do with all this time. Jason and I saw this cute little market that we drove past on the way to the hotel. Now we're just gonna go check it out because we got so much time to kill. We just checked into the hostel that we're staying at, and we have some regrets about traveling so cheaply.
I'm not happy right now. I'm not in the mood.
Teresa doesn't want to vlog, but the bed, it was two twins that we had to push together, so someone's gonna fall through the crack in the middle of the night. And then the air conditioning won't turn on because you have to have the door closed for 5 minutes before it'll turn back on. And then Teresa went to wash her hands, and there was no soap in the bathroom. And I was like, oh, okay, just grab the soap that's inside the shower there. She's like, no, can you go ask somebody? So I go ask somebody for hand soap. And she points to the soap in the shower. And we are now regretting our decision of traveling so cheaply. But it's only one night.
Yeah. I just want to go home, man. I just want to go home.
Teresa's done. Teresa's done. The cruise was amazing, but we made a little mistake of getting home. We should have just booked a flight for today because there was so much time getting off the cruise. We weren't sure and we didn't want to like risk not getting onto our flight. So that's why we stayed at like and you know, we're frugal. We didn't want to like waste money for like one night. So we're just like, stay at this hostel by the airport. It'll be great. Regrets. All right, we figured out a plan. We're feeling kind of tired, but I ate a shit ton of red vine, so I got a sugar high right now.
Do you?
But it's 3 o'clock, and we're gonna head to McDonald's, smash some Happy Meal burgers. We're gonna catch the on-off bus up to the top of something for some chair gondola lift thing. Gondola? Cable car, that's it. And then we're gonna meet up with our friends for one last dinner.
One last hurrah.
One last hurrah. So, yeah, let's order a taxi and get on the way. Anybody want a triple chicken mayo? What?
Chicken.
Teresa, get the beer with your meal.
It's included. It's not even an extra cost.
Please, 1 cent. Teresa eats bonus clip.
Oh, bonus clip.
Barcelona McDonald's.
It's not proportioned properly.
What'd you get?
I got the double crispy chicken.
Damn.
It's huge. There was a triple one. Look at this thing. Huge. My mouth.
We got quite the spread here. I got 2 regular hamburgers, large fries. It looks like popcorn chicken, barbecue chicken, fries. Teresa got a mammoth of a chicken burger. Well, after McDonald's, I feel like a beluga whale.
Yeah. Like we haven't been eating like this for 2 weeks.
Like, hey, why not just double down and get McDickies?
Right?
We made it to the on-off bus tour, so our plan is to get the on-off bus, take it over to the cable cars, and then just ride the bus until it's dinner time. Yeah, I think we did come on the bottom. That's stunning. That's the goal. That's why I've been on this bus for an hour and a half. Okay, Teresa and I just spent an hour and a half on that on-off bus, and Teresa's a little parched.
So are you, aren't you?
Yeah,
I need a stream.
I need a
A
popsicle.
waterfall.
So yeah, we're gonna find some water in the cable car
Please.
and a popsicle.
Please.
We made a mistake. We got off one stop too early. That was my bad. English?
I will pay anybody 100 euros for their water.
You're desperate, eh? This is Teresa off camera.
It's 30.8 degrees.
Holy. It's a hot day. We've been roasting in the sun for an hour and a half.
Oh, wait, now it's
A one stop later.
Teresa's had it. She's like, that's it, no more vlogging until we get water.
I cannot function as a human being until I get some water.
Gotta admit though, it's pretty here.
Yes. So pretty. I wish there was a stream.
We found a little store. Teresa got a popsicle. I got a popsicle. I finished it already. We got some drinks. And then it turns out, when we checked the map, we were in the right place.
This is so fun.
It was this red cable car in Barcelona is hard to find because it keeps getting confused on the map with the other cable car that's a little farther up that takes you all the way up the mountain, and that one comes up as like public transit, so it's really easy to see. But the one that we want is more of like a touristy one that goes across the bay, goes from the top of the hill down to the beach, so it's not on the map as much. It's a little more difficult to find. So now we're walking back 15 minutes the way we just took the bus up. At least
We were right this time.
yeah, and at least we're going downhill. We do get to see a nice view that's out along the side, so that's cool. Yay. Oh, we made it back to where we got off the bus the very first time. Wow. All right, we found it. Time to get our ticket and enjoy this amazing cable car. There it is. There's the cable car coming at us. We made it, guys. The cable didn't snap.
Denver always loves these things until we're actually up there, or we're like on the balcony of our 25th floor condo, and he's like, I'm scared.
Yeah, being up high is cool. Being close to falling, not cool. That's how it goes. Look at the beach.
It's so nice.
After a little walking on the the Barcelona beach strip, which is actually really nice.
Beautiful.
We found our way back to the on-off bus. Now we're gonna ride it again until we get to the restaurant area for where we're meeting up with our cruise friends for dinner.
Yay!
Sing it!
I am so tired.
I'm beat. I'm exhausted.
Like ready to go home.
I am ready for home
Uh.
so much. It's been such a long trip. It's been ridiculous. Almost at 3 weeks now.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's been great though.
It has been. This bike path is beautiful though. Check this out. Just riding in a strip of palm trees. That's awesome. Look at my wife. Whoa. We're off the on-off bus. Now we gotta figure out how to get to the restaurant without any internet. Because we don't want my phone to die. So try not to look at it.
Just like Euro Trip 2019.
No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi.
Yellow's very versatile.
Yeah,
And good morning. Teresa and I had one of the worst sleeps that we've had in a very long time, thanks to this little split in the middle of the bed.
And the loud noises and being the first bedroom on the floor near the staircase and
Bunch of other reasons. The list could go on, but we're just excited to get to the airport and go home.
excited to be on a flight for 8 hours doing nothing.
I actually am excited.
No,
I can
me too.
break out my laptop and get to work on this vlog. I have like, since the wedding started, probably 30 to 40 hours of footage to trim down for you guys. So it's going to keep me busy for a long time. We're going to go down, get a little breakfast, take a taxi to the airport, and it's home time.
Home time, kitties, here we come.
Yes. Alright, we made it home. Absolutely exhausted. But we're excited to see our cats.
I'm so excited.
It's a moment of truth. I unlocked it. Oh, hi Luna.
Hi, baby. Remember us? Where's Dad?
Remember us, your parents?
Oh no, the cat hammock fell.
Oh no.
Hi, baby.
Oh, Jack got up for one.
Mister.
I mean,
He looks scared, like you. Stop it. He doesn't remember us.
he doesn't know who we are. He doesn't like the camera in his face.
Oh, you're so soft.
Jack's like, who even are you? Alright, we're home. The cats love us. We got basil pods for dinner.
Luna miss us so much.
So much. It's midnight for us. Well, it's only 6 o'clock here. So, it's been a long day. Anyways, if you guys have enjoyed the vlogs, you know, do that thing. Smash the like button, subscribe, and the next video is going to be RV life coming at you guys.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Crazy. I can't even think about that right now.
Yeah, it's wild. So we'll see you in the next video with a tour of our RV.